board, the CMD of Suven Life Sciences, Mr. V. Jasti, joining in on the show right now to talk about their business. Mr. Jasti, great to have you today on ET Now. Give us a sense about this new drug, how large could be the addressable market that you're looking at, and what's the next phase in this?
Thank you for having me on your show. This drug, as you know, major depressive disorder, it is a huge potential, but there are lots of drugs out there. It's multi-billion dollars value every year. But whatever the drugs they have slower onset of action. They are also having suicidal tendencies when you're using these depressive drugs. They also have sexual dysfunction and also have cognitive dulling and also has a problem of addiction and sleep disorders. Whereas Suven 911 Ropanicant is devoid of all these side effects which it has, plus it has a faster onset of action. So this has a very high potential. It's a new therapy. And since, as you know, all the time we were telling our enrollment is delayed by 6 months to 1 year to 2 years because of the aged population in other central nervous system disorders. Whereas this being a major depressive disorder, it starts from anywhere from the early years of 20 years to 80 years. So people are more because of the not having all these side effects. I could do the 100% enrollment as of this week, and ahead of 2 months. This is a positive thing. And after this, data will come in sometime in June time frame, and that gives us the go, no-go situation after the phase 3 level. And if it goes to phase 3, it takes another 2 years. Then we can monetize the compound.
And when does phase 3 come on stream? Likely, sir, because you'll have better visibility of the timeline now.
Yes. We were earlier thinking in calendar 27, right. But this fourth quarter of calendar 26 itself, we may be able to start based on the suggestions from the FDA. If the data in phase 2B is good, which we think is good because 2A we have done and it has given a greater insights into the molecule without any side effects. And phase 2B is with 195 patients. And that will give us a very good thing. And then we can go for a fast track approval for phase 3. Likely to be in the fourth quarter of calendar, if not fourth quarter of the fiscal.
Mr. Jasti, what I also wanted to understand is the other molecules in your pipeline right now, and if any are nearing significant milestones or approvals that one needs to look out for.
No, we have clearly mentioned that it's a long-drawn process. All the data will be coming in sometime in 2027 for both 502, which is for agitation and aggression, and the other one is we are talking about starting narcolepsy, excessive daytime sleepiness. That because of the delays at the FDA, we could not start. We should have started this quarter, but certainly we'll be starting the first quarter of the calendar 26, and that will also come end of 2027, the data. So I think 27 will be the transformation year for us, for anything to go, for any monetization possibilities.
And what are your plans for this recent 857 crore rupee fundraise? Will it accelerate progress? And would it then require any additional capex that will be supported by this fundraise? Any updates on that?
No, the fundraise we have taken is to take care of up to 2027. But if none of these compounds, as you know, this is a 0 to 1, no other go, there is no in between. So if none of them goes to the next level, then we need money in 2028 time frame. Otherwise, as of now, we are looking for some success, and based on that, hopefully, we don't need to go to the market again.
Okay, and sir, with regard to revenue potential, what's the kind of revenue number, and when do you likely start clocking that? Because obviously your current financials don't reflect the kind of business potential that the company holds. So I'm trying to get a sense of when is that going to turn a corner?
In central nervous system disorders, in the new chemical entities, it's only expense as of now, 100% expense. We don't have any revenue model. And the revenue model only when you out-license it or collaborate or co-license it or these kinds of stuff. As I said, 27 is the year where we can think of their time. Until that time, it's a zero. There is no question. And we don't want to give anything which we don't know ourselves because it's a double-blind studies. We will not be knowing the data until it is out. And only after phase 3, we can collaborate or out-license. Then only we get the upfront payments, milestone payments, and then the royalties and all that stuff. But it's very difficult to tell unless the data comes out. It's all data-driven.
Understood. Mr. Jasti, so great chatting with you today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thanks for hanging.